Welcome back, everyone. Over the last few videos, we've been very specific with our return type patterns, like matching specific return types, classes inside a package, and even classes inside packages and subpackages. But now, let's ask a different question. What if you do not care about the return type at all? What if you want your aspect to match every method, regardless of what it returns? String, void, user DTO, int, anything, all of it. This is actually the most common scenario in real-world AOP. When you are building a logging aspect or a monitoring aspect, you usually want to intercept all methods in a class or a package, not just the ones returning a specific type. Alright, Spring AOP provides a very simple solution for this. If you want to match methods with any return type, you simply use a single asterisk as the return type in your Pointcut expression. Follow my screen. See. That asterisk at the beginning tells Spring, "Hey Spring, I do not care what this method returns. Whether it is string, void, user DTO, int, or any other type, match it. Intercept it. Apply the advice." Alright, before we test the asterisk wildcard, I am going to make a quick structural change. I am moving payment request from com.gan.derpun.dto.request to a different package, outside of DTO entirely. Alright, keeping the same call order in the controller. No changes there. Starting the application. Hit the API. Alright, look at the console carefully. Let's read through this together. First, controller log. Next, aspect log fires for create user method. Then create user method log. Next, aspect log fires for premium create user method. Then premium create user method log. Next, aspect log fires for create order method. Then create order method log. Next, aspect log fires for payment method. Then payment method log. And now, look at the last one. Aspect log fires for display message method as well. It returns string, which is a java.lang.string. A Java built-in type. Not a custom class. Not in any of our packages. But asterisk does not care. It matched it anyway. Because asterisk means any return type, Java built-ins, custom classes, primitives, everything. And that brings us to the end of this video. Today, we completed the return type pattern section. In the next video, we move to the declaring type pattern. This is where you target specific classes, entire packages, or entire application layers in your Pointcut expression. That is a very important topic, and one that directly affects how you structure your AOP in real projects. So make sure you do not miss it. If this video helped you, please like it. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.